After you arrange all your UV shell, okay, then you are actually done on the modeling part. So next, what you need to do, I'm not sure when I give you the file, is it got assigned with shader? Can you guys check? Is it assigned with shader?
Yeah.
Assigned with shader, right?
Grades,
Yeah. So, yeah, I actually give wrong file already. I actually want you guys to assign the shader by yourself.
Okay, wow.
Okay, so from last assignment, I saw some of you guys didn't put SHD. Okay, so SHD means shader, and then we also have MT as material, or you have SD or MT, something like this. So all of these words, right, is a short form for this shader or material. So in industry, right, we actually always use this kind of short form name, okay, to rename on the shader. So inside the hypershade, okay, you can easily see which one is the shader or which one is, okay, the other. Like maybe we have a project doing like FX, VFX, or some different things. Okay, you will have different naming. Okay, so make sure you are using this extension. Okay, this one. For my class, I think you guys all use shader lah. Okay, but since I already gave you the file with the material assigned, so just to let you guys know. Okay, so okay, from last assignment, I also saw some of you guys just only use one shader, right? Okay, some of you guys use Lambert. So the difference is, in Substance Painter, you can see all of these like texture set list. Okay, if you only got one, then it will just show the Lambert one. Okay, so the benefit of you, okay, differentiate all the shader out is you don't need to actually mask a lot of things. Like let's say I want to do the stem, okay, the branch. Okay, I can just, maybe I close all this color first. Okay, so if you have this shader only for the tree branch, you can just put a layer and then you can just choose your color like this, so it won't overlap to all the object. Okay, if you're using just only one shader, you need to mask out, like you need to put black mask, then you need to select the branch. Okay, make sure it's only affect this object. Okay, so that's the difference. That's why I want you guys to create like different material for different asset. And then on assigning the texture is also different. If you are using just only one shader, okay, it's just only one shader, so you just need to assign once. So the D, the texture, okay, doesn't show the texture. Wait, let me find a texture. Material study, texture. Okay, base color. Okay, let's say this is my metal base color. Okay, so it will only show the metal shader. If you're using all the uh if you're using just only one shader, it will include like other shader, other texture. Okay, like let's say this plastic is totally black. This one. So these two will mix together. Okay, so that's the pro and cons. Okay, but for this assignment I need you guys to use all these different shader. Okay, so after that I need you guys to export the asset. Okay, it's the same thing, just select the group, select all, export selection, and then choose FBX. Okay. FBX. I think when you guys export, right, you have this setting on the side, but I'm not sure why mine is different. Okay, so make sure the geometry, okay, just only turn on the smoothing group. The smooth mesh don't need to turn on. Okay, just leave it there. Okay, just turn on the smoothing group, export, and then it should come out this warning. Okay, it's normal. After that, you guys need to put into the substance panel. So just create new. Okay, template is the same. Okay, we are using PBR, and then metallic roughness alpha brand. Okay, file, just select the FBX. Hey, where I save? Save 在哪里？ Spot selection. Okay, select your FBX, and then this one choose your according to your map size. This one choose OpenGL, and then this two remember to turn it off. Okay, all settings should be off, and then just click OK, and then yeah, you should have something like this. Okay, and then the first thing you need to do is, okay, go to baking mode. Okay, you can press FX, and then inside here, okay, you just need to change this output size to 2K. This one width just put 10. Okay, it's the same setting from your last assignment. Okay, so all of this, okay, use low poly mesh as high poly mesh. Then make sure the ambient occlusion, ignore backface is used always. Okay, so the things here, you just only need to change the AO things. So for other shader, you also need to change. No need. So you only need to change it once. So after done, you just back selector texture. Template PBR metallic roughness. Yeah. Yes, alpha brand. 什么颜色？葡萄，你要放什么颜色？可以啊，可以啊。青色啊，青色也可以啊。
那个 UV 有一点点空间是可以的噻。
可以。
就是完美的正方形可以啊。
完美的正方形。
不是 fit 的，它很多空间。
哦，摆满它啦。别啦，不用紧了，不用紧。
小个一些。
可以，没有关系的。
可以啊。
不用太密，不用太密。
那个baking 啊那边我们要改那个吧。
等下 mesh map 这个 啊，打勾这个吧，
use logo
然后这个方式 dilation with
2048
this one is according to your the UV size. This one.
所以这个改这个吧，
嗯，
OK
这个还有这个，然后 AO ambient occlusion 记得换去 always ignore backface. Okay, so after you bake all the stuff, okay, when you press B, okay, boy, you should see all the backing mat. Okay, so the AO is the shadow, okay, and then the curvature is the highlight area, okay, the edge, then position, thickness, height, okay, and then workspace normal. This is very important. Okay, it should look something like this. Okay, so you can press M to back to material. So okay, on this assignment for your texture, right, I need you guys to use the material over here, so you don't need to create one by one by yourself again. Okay, so okay, let's say the cloth. Okay, you can find some material over here. Okay, so you can see there's two material. Okay, so if you're using the material here, okay, you can find, maybe I find some fabrics. Okay, maybe this one, or this one. Okay, you can just drag and then put it inside the layer. Okay, so you can see there's a group folder. So inside you can see how they start to do the texture. Okay, you can see all the layers. Okay, so first layer you can see they are using base color. Then he add a few layer on the color. Okay, a lot of things like perlin noise. Okay, so all of this is to give you guys an idea. So in order to make this kind of texture, okay, what you need to add. Okay, so just now is the base color, right? Okay, base color with the noise, and then surface details. So this one is same with your racket handle. Okay, the surface detail, so you can see the bump in bump out effect. And then this one is the patterns. Okay, same with your racket, and then crumbs. Okay, he adding more details inside, so all of this is just more details. Okay, so you guys can use the material over here. If you are using the material here, okay, this one is smart material. This one is just a layer. Yeah, it's just a layer. It doesn't have any group. Okay, you can change some settings over here. Okay, so depends on what you're looking for, the material over here. Okay, so okay, let's say fabric, this one I like. Okay, and then I can search for another one, metal. Okay, so I want to do the jar. Okay, this one I can delete. Okay, let's say, let me choose maybe not metal. Let me see, is it match? Yeah, so you will have this kind of material. Then for the table, okay, table, you can, same thing, you can just type wood, and then you can put it here and then see which one you like. Okay, maybe this one. Okay, so if you have this issue, the direction doesn't doesn't it's not like what you want the direction to be, so you need to turn off all the layers, and then you need to open one by one. So this one is only noise, right? Wood fiber. So you need to change this one, so you need to open the layer and then see which one is it. So it's the main layer. So on here you can just rotate, put 90 degree, and then you fix the problem. So for the rest it's just the same. So here's another food fiber, walao wood fiber 应该 so just same thing, rotation 90. So now you see when I put 90 there's nothing happen, right? That means it's not the main layer. It's on the black mask. So this is the layer, so just put 90. Like this. So I think 3 of this material is almost the same now. You guys can use the smart material over here. So this is the faster way to do this 3 material, but for the rest I need you guys to do it by yourself. Just like what you did on the racket. So the orange and the grapes later I will demo. So you guys try to assign a material for these 3 objects first.